Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open the Amazon app or website and sign into your account. Tap Account to reach settings and payment options easily. Go to Account, then Gift Cards to view your current balance. If you have a physical or emailed card, choose Redeem a gift card. Enter the claim code and confirm to add dollars instantly to your balance. Watch for the success message showing the updated total in dollars. You can also add a balance from checkout when prompted to redeem a new card. Choose items and go to the checkout screen to start payment. Confirm your shipping address and delivery options before selecting payment. Select your gift card balance as the payment method at checkout when prompted. Amazon applies your balance first and charges the remainder to your selected credit card or other method. If your balance covers the full total, no other payment is charged at all. For partial payments, you will see the exact split with dollars charged from each source. Keep gift card emails and claim codes for easy future redemptions and records. Set security alerts and check balances periodically to prevent accidental loss or fraud. Refunds for eligible returns go back to your original gift balance automatically unless another refund method is requested. To combine balances, redeem multiple cards to the same account for one total dollar amount. For international accounts, note currency differences and conversion fees that can affect the displayed total. Contact Amazon customer service immediately if you suspect unauthorized use of your gift balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.